Hey everybody, Ray here at Ray Chevrolet in Fox Lake. And as a lot of you are aware, General Motors, and more specifically Chevrolet, is going in an EV direction. With gas prices right now on the rise, it might be a good idea to consider the EV options that we offer here at our Chevrolet store. I'm with Paul, our resident EV expert. And Paul, you own an EV, don't you?
I do. I got a 2020 Bolt Premier.
Do you like it?
I love it, especially when everyone's complaining about gas prices these days, and I'm just like, oh, what's that? I haven't filled up in over a year.
That's awesome, man. And what's the range on that?
You get about 250, 260 on depending how you drive. The more you drive it fast, because they are fun to drive fast, you lose a little bit of range, but you can stretch it to about 300 depending on how you drive in the weather.
That's awesome. What other EV products is Chevrolet coming out with?
So they actually have a lot coming down the pipeline. The first one that's going to be coming around next spring, that's going to be the Blazer. And they just teased that they're going to have an SS trim on the 2023 Blazer EV, which should be pretty cool to check out. Also coming out with the Equinox, and then the big one is going to be the Silverado coming out. We're initially going to launch with a work truck trim level, and then they have the RST. Saw that one at the auto show, and it looks pretty awesome.
That's great, Paul. And here, we just want to let you know here at our dealership that we carry these products in bulk, and we're prepared for this shift towards EVs. Between our staff and our facility and our inventory, we're going to be well prepared to position ourselves as the EV experts here at Ray Chevrolet in Fox Lake.